This eye look though, bitch, I look good.
Ow, ow, ow. I buy a new car for the bitch, for real. I tear down the mall with the bitch, for real. You can't even talk to the bitch, nah. She fucking with bosses and shit. Oh, God.
So welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this rose gold half cut crease. It's kind of rose gold but kind of silver but kind of brown. I don't even know. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to use this Sigma Warm Neutral Volume 2 palette. This was so kindly sent to me by Sigma. I've done, I think, a couple of looks with this on my Instagram. So if you haven't seen them, go do that. But I haven't used it here on my channel. Taking the color Henna. I'm just trying not blind you guys with the mirror. This shade right here. I'm just gonna place it, start on the outer corner. Like, look at the pigment. That's crazy. Then I'm gonna take a small detail brush. It's kind of fluffy. I'm gonna take this shade right here at the bottom, which is called After Hours. So I'm just gonna put that in my crease. I'm just gonna take the same blending brush with no product. I'm just gonna blend those colors together. I'm just taking my paint pot and I'm taking this wrong brush. I'm taking this angled brush to cut my crease. So I just took the same little detail brush that I used to darken up my crease, and I took the same color After Hours, this one right here, and I just put that on my bottom lash line. Take a big flat brush. This is the BH Cosmetics 102, and I'm going to take the color Iconic, which is this one. Then I'm going to take this super nice shade right here. It's called Beaming, and then I'm putting that in the inner corners of my cut crease and like blending it in with the rose gold that I just used. So it kind of goes from light to dark. This is the Inglot Body Sparkle in color, well, number 55. It's like white sparkles. Putting this on top of the light shade that I just used. I thought I was recording. I wasn't, but I just put on the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation. I'm in the shade 450 Chocolate Mousse. So I avoided putting foundation underneath my concealer because I don't want my foundation to crease. I don't want to feel cakey. I don't want to look cakey. None of that. We ain't got the time. I picked up this new powder. Well, it's not new on the market, but it's new to me. This is the Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana, and this is way more yellow than my, of course, my Laura Mercier, because the Laura Mercier one is white, but it's not as yellow as my Sasha Buttercup. I just can't find it, but hopefully this is good, and hopefully it does not give me flashback, because we don't want that. Snatch my nose, and I'm using the BH Cosmetics 122 brush. I always use this brush for my nose. I kind of want to try this one. This is the BH Cosmetics 119, but I don't know. Actually, let me try it, because I swear, yo, if my nose contour comes out crooked because I'm trying new brushes and new techniques, I'm gonna be so pissed. Why can't I just stick to what I know? Now I got this contour and I don't know how the hell I'm gonna blend that shit. Well, at least, yeah, oh my god, a little goes a long way though. Like I didn't already know that with this powder. My nose looks non-existent and I'm low-key here for it. If it's so bad, why do I keep putting more product? You know what? Whatever. Let me just put this contour away. I'm taking a little bit more of the banana powder and I'm just gonna put it in the center of my nose and on the side so I can fix this mess. It looks good on this side, but this side, however, I just went ahead and put on some lashes and some bottom lash mascara, and I also put some black eyeliner. Yeah, that's what I did off camera. Now I'm going to put on some blush. I wasn't going to use blush, but I'm using the Sigma Hotspot powder blush. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Artist Couture Diamond Glow in Sugar Daddy. I don't know if I want to put highlighter on my inner corners. Let me try. Maybe I should. I'm not gonna lie, I low-key regret it, but it doesn't look that bad. So I'm going to use chestnut lip liner, and then I don't know what lip combination I want to do. Do I want to do a gloss or do I want to do matte? Do I want to do something else? Okay, I'm gonna use chestnut lip liner and the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Lolita, and then maybe I'll put a gloss on top. I don't know. I like it, but I don't know if I want to do a gloss or not. So do I want to do a gloss or do I just leave like this? I have this one from e.l.f. which is cute. It's in the shade Mocha Twist. I feel like it's a lot of shimmer. Like you have the gloss, and you have my highlight, and you have like the eyes, and it's kind of doing the most. But okay, this is okay. This is cute. This is kind of cute. Let's just leave the hoops in then. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.